Hi guys, my name is Mohammed Shahzad and you're watching my YouTube channel Finch Birds. Let's go, I'm already here in Pakistan. I'm gonna show you my shed here. Ooh, here we go. We have a wonderful mutations, zebra mostly. And see my colony. One colony I have made it here, where I have some Gouldians. You can see some of my Gouldians, they are on mold, and I put the boxes, finch boxes in a row, gave them a nesting. And you can see some zebra finches here. These are not normal zebra finches. Seems like normal, but all my Yomo split birds are here. Okay, and in this I have some orange lines from these birds. I make it full orange, half orange. So these are the birds. Some black-faced, black-breasted oranges here. If we see, I have a charcoal split here, English bloodline, pure. She's a bit sick. I gave her some medicine today and she's feeling better. And this is a Dutch line male, pastel. NG, sorry. And my charcoal NG and lightback male charcoal. You guys can see. I like this guy. Very nice. Very nice. Seem like this girl. She's also a charcoal female, NG. And if I come here, I have another charcoal pair. She's that's a guy, NG. And the CFW white female inside, she laid some eggs. She's already inside. Oh, there she is. She's listening. Who's this guy speaking English in my area? Okay, yeah, she's there. They're having eggs. Then we have another charcoal female with the pastel split male. There we go. See, that guy. Both are English bloodline. It's a Dutch line male and she's an English. Okay, then after that I have a Lightback 3B male. It's a triple black, guys. It's a 3B male, black face, black breasted, and black chit. And I gave her a fawn orange female. I'm working on a Lightback full orange. Here is my pair, another one, Lightback, OBBB. And this guy have some black face also. See, black face and orange guy with the Lightback. Have a OBBB inside and female is also orange. You can see her cheeks. You can see her cheeks. She is also orange. I gave a ring because she came from the parents who they have a orange bloodline. So I'm working on this also. This is a Lightback full orange working pair. And if I go down, I have another one, 3B working pair. 3B female and not working actually. It's a full 3B male and full 3B female. See the male, and there she is, NG. Male is also NG. You can see. See the female now. Male. And here I have black face, black breasted, split OB male and OBBB female. Also full orange working. Nice. Okay, let's go. This side. Okay, here we go. Some Lightback OBBB males. I have here and one Isabel female. I paired up here. I was expecting something else like orange or lightback babies, but they gave me a white color CFW, this guy, and another this guy, see, and this is my favorite, both I made it at home, lightback OBBB. If they go a full orange, they are full golden color. I like this color. It's a lightback with OBBB male. See, orange breasted, and there she is, another one. How beautiful they are. And then I have another guy, this one, see? So these are two. I have two more, same color, but I'm working on to make it full orange. Hopefully that pair, it's give me a good full orange guy in lightback. See? Beautiful. I love it. Now, one and only, the dark, the full orange. See, this is my full orange. It's my home breed. I created. It's a third generation bird, guys. See, this is my full orange guy. See? Ha, he's goes in. Okay, see now. This is a full orange and it's dark, NG full orange. Dark orange. And I gave a female. She's orange female. Now see? Full orange male and NG OBBB female. Okay, let's go down. I'll bring you to the another one. There you go. It's also full orange. I created my home breed. Size is a little smaller, but it's a very nice guy. You can see here. And OBBB female NG. She have a black chick also, but I pair up with this guy to get us some good quality birds. You can see here, it's also full orange. Here we go. I have spared some good size males, one white NG and fawn. These extra males I put it here. When I will require for the breed, I will take them. Let's go, some more extra birds I separated because I don't want to get more breed. I will sailed out. These are oranges, some black face, and some more extra some birds. Okay, my favorite, another one, Yomo. It's a lightback Yomo male. Guys, lightback Yomo male. And split NG female. She's split lightback also. This is a Yomo lightback. Hope you guys like it. This is my Yomo. And look at her. She's a beautiful hen. See that? This is another pair. It's pastel Yomo. See this one? My God, I love this Yomo. This is nice color. I like this color. And I gave her similar NG split female. She's still in the eggs. She's incubating. And another one, my OBBB male and full orange female. Wow, I like this female. And this male. See? And this female. See? And the male, OBBB male and female. Let's go down. Another one. See, orange working. There is a girl. She's sitting inside on the eggs. Similar pair I have here. Mostly I'm working with the oranges. I love oranges. So most of my pair ups are like a full orange working pairs. See this guy? Wow. You can see this one. Very nice. See this guy? Wow. Okay. So we'll go this way. There is another orange working pair. Maybe you cannot see correctly because the other side is a light. Then here another full orange guy. This is my favorite also. Another one. And another one, full orange working. Oh my god, this white lady, I love it. She's very fluffy and pure English bird line. See? And then some orange guys. Okay, and this is the black one. My favorite bird. Sorry for the light. I will go from this way. And this is another orange guy. See? Now you can see that black one also on the other side. I'm working with the 3B. And this is the orange guy working for the size. Female is bigger than this. So hopefully you guys enjoy these birds. Very nice. Okay. So guys, this is my Pakistani shed setup. I have a huge around like 60 pairs in cage and some 30 pairs here in the colony. And you can see here this side I have a breeding cages like this, and you can see how many pairs this side, and you can see how many pairs this side. Okay. And on my back as well, I will go this way. Here we go. These are the pairs, and I have an open shed on the other side. Here I made a small cage for the birds, the new birds, new chicks. There is 3 black-faced guys. One is also getting, this one is a Lightback. And there is 2 female also, black face, 2 black face males. So they are getting good ones. Hopefully we will have good ones in a Lightback. They are Lightback actually. There's 2 teeny mini sea guys because their parents are doing the feather plucking. That's why these teeny mini are still here, and after 1 week I'll separate them when they're going to self food. And some my Lightback collection, females and males. I'm holding here all these girls and boys. There is mostly girls, no boy anymore. I transfer from here. These are all my Lightback females. I'm working on an orange and Lightback oranges. So all the females are here. You can see, beautiful. All Lightback females. See, these are all my home breeds, and I did really good breed for that. There's another one of my orange guy with the orange female. She's OB split and want some NG oranges. That's why I put it NG female. And this is another Dutch line pair. It's very big size, this guy. I love it. And she's a black face. NG female, similar like here. And one more, my home Yomo, another Yomo. It's a young guy yet and split female. This is my Yogi BB, biggie guy. See, another one, nice quality, a nice one, I like it. And pastel male I have here, and I will give her a female tomorrow. Another Yomo, and with the split female. Here I'm working with full orange. This is an orange guy, not full orange, they're still black. I'm want to work on a crusted. So I have a female with full crust umbrella. So I'm working with the umbrella crest for this girl. You can see. She's a nice crusted lady. And the both. This is the boy. Similar like here on the top, another boy. See? And there is spawn OV female. Wow. See this guy? Do you love it? My favorite guy. See the colors? Outstanding. Then another OBBB guy here. See this guy. Okay. I love it. Okay guys. This was the stuff. And I'll see you guys later with new videos and new things I will share with you guys. Take care. Bye bye.